Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study, and this is for a pension fund. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, and more. I also have a pitch deck review service. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of pension funds I recently created for a USA-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking for investments of up to $1 million US. The sector is financial, and this is a private equity group. They're based in the USA, and the database that I'm using for them at their request is pension funds, and they'd like to get around 200 contacts. So how do I find these contacts? My master database has 400,000 contacts, and that includes new contacts that I've just added as we sit here in August 2023. That includes an extensive database of venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, and more. And it also includes a very large database of high net worth and ultra high net worth individual investors. So what did the final database include? Well, I was able to find 525 contacts, and that included 525 emails, 400 LinkedIn addresses, and 210 websites. So that basically means there's 210 pension fund firms, and that includes key contacts with titles and their email addresses. So what type of contacts will benefit from a pension fund database? Asset managers seeking to get their investment products considered by pension funds to grow assets under management. Investment consultants advising pension funds on asset allocation, manager selection, and investment strategy. Private equity firms are also interested in pension fund databases as they aim to attract pension fund commitments to their new or existing funds. Hedge funds as well look to secure allocations from pension funds to diversify their investment base. REITs offering pension funds exposure to property markets and stable long-term returns. And emerging market specialists showcasing growth opportunities in less developed economies. In addition, infrastructure and direct investment platforms highlighting long-term stable investment opportunities suitable for pension fund horizons. And finally, financial tech companies providing tools and platforms optimized for pension fund management and reporting. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here, I have 252,000 contacts, and again, that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case. And then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database portion, and you can see as I scroll down to the bottom here, we were able to come up with 525 contacts that actually had individuals. There's a few extras down here that didn't have contact names, so I provided them to this particular client as well. But they include the contact name, and most of them are going to be in the USA or the UK, and that's fine for this client. And they'll edit out the countries that they aren't suitable to be able to work with. That includes the websites, in some cases LinkedIn's, all the emails, of course the firm names, and the titles. And these are all going to be senior people at the firms, so they'll be able to make direct contact with them to market their opportunity, as well as a description which gives them even more opportunity to do refined research to see whether the pension fund matches the particular opportunity that they're looking at. So that is my search for pension funds for the US-based private equity firm. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, private equity, family offices, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors with over 400,000 verified global contacts. And be sure to check out my full database of family investment offices, the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors. This is the largest database of family investment offices that you're able to access. There's over 10,000 contacts. Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching this video.